You want to try it, Anna?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's sour.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where's your scissors? Just go.
Yeah, I know. I wish I had scissors right now. I'm trying to open this thing.
Whoa. Dad, no. You see that?
Gosh darn it.
Did you?
Spent 30 seconds fighting with it. Alright. Alright.
Alright.
Sit down. Sit down. Wait up. Gotta get your hair out of your face. You're so pretty. Okay. Try it. Sorry, I can't hold it. Put it in your mouth. Eat it. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Eat it. Try it.
Vegetable.
Yeah. What happened? You don't like?
Bite it.
You try to bite it?
I'm gonna bite it.
Alright, try and bite it. Is it good?
It's good. No. I don't like that.
You don't like that?
I do it in the mouth.
You don't.
You do it in the mouth.
No, I'm not gonna eat it. Hey, throw it away. Go throw it away.
It's no good.
It's no good? So you don't like it?
I don't like it.
You'll never eat that again?
No.
No. How bad was it?
You want to move.
It just wasn't you?
Yeah, I want to do it again.
You wanna do it again?
Yeah.
I thought you didn't like it. You wanna do it again?
Yeah.
You want more of that?
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, you don't like them. You wanna drink your apple juice?
Yeah.
Alright. Here.